After not using an Android phone as my primary device for more than 4 years, I decided to switch to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra when it was released earlier this month. I have been using it as my main phone for almost 10 days now, and I am thoroughly enjoying the experience it provides. Admittedly, as someone who has been using an iPhone for years, I faced some challenges with the user interface at first, but I gradually became accustomed to OneUI. Throughout my time using the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra as my primary device, I utilize it for various tasks, such as browsing Instagram Reels and YouTube videos, multitasking, taking pictures and creating Reels, making calls, sending emails, and sending messages through WhatsApp, among other things. Remarkably, the phone never experienced any lag. Additionally, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra excelled in areas such as camera quality, performance, and battery life. However, the crucial question remains, is it worth the price? In this review, we will attempt to provide an answer to that inquiry. Last year, Samsung discontinued its Note series, which led to the creation of the new Ultra design that supports the SPen. However, I do not believe that regular users have much use for the SPen, even to this day. Consequently, Samsung may want to consider removing the SPen altogether in future releases, although this decision is ultimately up to the company. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra retains the same design as its predecessor and is available in vibrant color options such as green, phantom black, lavender, and cream. The version I currently use is the classic green color, which exudes a premium feel. The SPen, however, is only available in black for all models and is located at the bottom of the device. To use it, you simply press on it, and the pen is ready to use. I did not find a significant need to use the SPen, except for taking group selfies. The Galaxy S23 Ultra features a design that resembles the S22 Ultra, complete with a quad rear camera system that includes a 200-megapixel primary camera and LED flash. The device has a flat panel on both the front and back, which is a departure from the current trend of curved displays. The Ultra's hole-punch camera is centrally located, with slim bezels surrounding it. At the bottom, you can find the SPen, speaker grills, SIM tray, and USB Type-C port. Similar to the company's other devices, Samsung does not include a charger with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. On the right side, you'll find the screen lock button and volume rockers, while the left side remains empty. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a solid build quality that makes it durable enough to withstand a few bumps and knocks. Despite Samsung's efforts to balance the device's weight, it still feels somewhat heavy in the hands. Using the phone with one hand can be challenging due to its weight and wide form factor. In my opinion, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a sturdy build, but I recommend using it with a cover to protect it. Unfortunately, Samsung does not include a back cover with the device, so you'll need to purchase one separately, which could cost several hundred or thousands of dollars. Compared to its younger siblings, the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus, the Ultra has a larger screen. However, the device's size means that it is best used with both hands, particularly for individuals with smaller hands. In terms of performance, the Ultra offers an excellent viewing experience. I watch various YouTube videos, Netflix movies, and browse social media, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra performed exceptionally well in all scenarios. The visuals were vibrant and sharp, making content consumption on the device a delightful experience. Additionally, the screen is bright enough to be viewed comfortably in harsh sunlight, even at around 70% brightness. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera is even better than its predecessor, which was already fantastic. The device features a quad rear camera system, which includes Samsung's newly introduced 200-megapixel sensor, the ISOCELL-HP2. Samsung claims that this sensor combines 16 pixels into one larger pixel, resulting in brighter shots in low light. The smartphone also has a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. Overall, I believe that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is an excellent device in every aspect, but its high price may not be affordable for everyone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.